Introduction to Timeneye for Teams.
Timeneye is a user-friendly time tracking tool designed to help teams boost productivity. With collaborative features, Timeneye lets you monitor hours spent on projects, track team progress, and identify ways to work smarter. This step-by-step guide will show you how to set up your team in Timeneye and make the most of its analytics capabilities.
Creating and inviting your team.
Start by signing up or logging into your Timeneye account. Go to the Team section and click Invite Users. Enter your team members' email addresses, assign them roles, and send invitations. Once accepted, your team will appear in your workspace, ready to collaborate and track their time on shared projects.
Setting up projects and tasks.
To track work efficiently, create projects by clicking Add Project. Name each project and assign team members to them. Next, break projects into tasks or phases as needed. This organization allows everyone to log hours against specific activities, making it easy to see where time is being spent across the team.
Tracking team time efficiently.
Encourage your team to log time using the timer or manual entry features. Team members select the project and task before tracking their hours. Real-time tracking helps everyone stay accountable and provides accurate data for analysis. Remind your team to update their logs regularly for the best results.
Analyzing team productivity with reports.
Go to the Reports section to access powerful analytics. Filter data by team member, project, or date to see how time is allocated. Visual dashboards help you spot trends, identify bottlenecks, and measure productivity improvements. Regularly reviewing these reports can guide decisions and help your team work more effectively together.
Tips for collaborative success in Timeneye.
Promote open communication by regularly discussing Timeneye reports with your team. Use insights to balance workloads, set realistic deadlines, and celebrate productivity wins. As you become familiar with Timeneye's collaborative features, your team will be better equipped to optimize time usage and achieve project goals more efficiently.